Hi lovelies, welcome back once again. Here is Faber's Kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Today I'm back and I want to share with you how I oven dry my herrings for my shito, for my stews and even my soups. Please stay tuned to the end as always and be inspired. Without further ado lovelies, let's dive right into the video. So I'm doing this first to prevent the water from draining, okay? And next I'm adding my herrings. And now I'm adding water to them, okay? So lovelies, there is no scale on the fish, so I just go ahead and wash them, clean them nicely until the water runs clear, okay? Washing and cleaning the fish will prevent any sandy particles from sticking to them and all funny smells will be gone, okay? This fish is not really dirty or even that bloody. So to wash and clean them really well and to get the water clear will not take that long. So far this is our first wash and you can see the water is already dirty and cloudy here. So as you can see, I'm transferring all the fish into a bowl on the side and then I'll drain off all the water, clean the sink and then transfer the fish back into the sink again here. This is our second wash and the fish are smelling good already. But this time around, after adding the water, I'll then add my vinegar just like this and also salt. Next, I'll go ahead and add my lemon juice just like so. You can add lime juice if you like, or you can even add both lemon and lime juice and you'll be good to go, yeah? After adding these thorough cleansing agents, I'll then soak the fish for about 20 minutes and then I'll come back, wash them again, transfer them back into the bowl and then drain out the water, okay? Adding these ingredients will not only clean the fish nicely but will kill the bacteria that might be on the fish, especially with the vinegar here. Now lovelies, you can see the water is already turning clear. Next, I'm transferring the fish again into the sink, add water, and then wash them again until the water is so clear and the fish smell amazing, okay? I'm still washing the fish and I'll transfer them into the bowl again. To support your girl lovelies, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about this simple but amazing process of cleaning your fish, okay? So this time around the water is so clear, you can go further, but I'm done. I've transferred the fish into a bowl and now I'm adding a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and now salt to taste. Today I'll omit the liquid smoke because I don't want the fish to be smoky. However, you can go ahead and add it to yours. That's all by choice and preference. So I'm rubbing the seasonings onto the fish just like this. On the other hand, I can flame them just like this, making sure the fish do not break apart or do not even fall over, yeah? So I'm done. Next, onto the rack, I'm adding oil just like this. And adding the oil will prevent the fish from sticking to the rack when they are being dried in the oven, okay? At this point, if you live in a very sunny area, you can dry the fish in the sun, and that's even the healthiest way because that is so natural. But for those of us who don't have sun in our countries at the moment, go ahead and use your dehydrator or your oven, and I'm using the oven. I've also got some extra fish. I'm putting them on this tray. You can as well use your rack if you have it. All done now and I'm taking them into the oven to be dried, yeah? So our first batch is ready and now let's check them out. They are really dried and almost crispy, to be honest, and I'm so much impressed. But if you want them to be more crispier or dried, then dry them some more in the oven. But now I'll put them in my garden and I'll allow the little sun that I have in my country and also the air to do justice to the fish. So here I've brought them out in my garden I'll be doing this until I see massive change in this fish. So I'll be bringing the fish back and forth to the garden and to the kitchen every day until I get my results, okay? As I said, if you like, you can do this completely in the oven, okay? 4 days after the back and forth, I can see the fish is so dried, and I've transferred everything into my food storage bag. I'll put everything into my freezer and I'll use them as and when I need them. Lovelies, you can as well keep them in an open place in your kitchen if you like, because they are so dry that they will not go bad and they can be there for a long time. Lovelies, I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.